In the ever-evolving landscape of artificial intelligence, one remarkable innovation stands out: AI stability, a groundbreaking technology that empowers individuals to seamlessly convert static images into dynamic videos. This transformative tool not only provides an intuitive and user-friendly interface, but also offers a plethora of functionalities through a dedicated Hugging Face space. At its core, AI stability leverages cutting-edge algorithms to bring stability and coherence to the process of image-to-video conversion. The beauty of this technology lies in its ability to generate videos that captivate and engage audiences, breathing life into still images with fluidity and finesse, allowing users transforming their images into videos. With a comfortable and intuitive UI, even those unfamiliar with complex coding can seamlessly create captivating visual stories. You can discover a demo in the Hugging Face space, and you can find the link in my description. Upon visiting its Hugging Face space, you will encounter an intuitive user interface. Simply drag and drop the image file you wish to animate. After that, click Generate. In just a matter of minutes, Stability AI will work its magic, transforming the static image into a dynamic and vibrant creation. Simply upload your image and with a simple click, witness the transformation as the image comes to life. Stability AI has released the code for stable video diffusion on our GitHub repository. We offer two models for the image-to-video process. SVD. This model was trained to produce 14 frames at a resolution of 5.76 to 24, given a context frame of the same size. SVD XT. This model shares the same architecture as SVD, but has been fine-tuned for 25 frame generation. Both models seamlessly integrate with ComfUI. The link is provided in the description. Follow the installation instructions for a smooth setup. Feel free to explore the potential of generating more videos and adjusting parameters according to your preferences. Stability AI goes beyond the traditional limits of image-to-video conversion. With its blend of a user-friendly interface and customizable coding options, we eagerly anticipate the release of more models in the future.